Omar, this is Andy, and this is Oscar. Our problem is the period of a pendulum is the time t it takes for it to swing back and forth once. The time measured in seconds can be expressed as a function of the pendulum length L, measured in feet by the physics formula T equals 1/4 pi square root 2L. Part A wants us to figure out, to the nearest tenth of a second, what is the period for a 2-foot pendulum?
Alright, so for this equation, we're going to use this equation. So t equals 1/4 pi times the square root of 4, which is 2 times 2, and the length here is 2. So we just plugged in the 2, and we got the square root of 4, which is 2, and then we combine like terms, and we multiply 2 times 1/4 to get 1/2. And then you get t equals 2/4 or 1/2 pi, and then you just multiply it out, so 3.14 times 1/2, and then you get t equals 1.57, which rounded out is 1.6.
Part B of the question asks, to the nearest inch, how long is a pendulum whose period is 2.26 seconds?
So what we did was we plugged in t, which is 2.26, into the equation, and we get 2.26 equals 1/4 times pi square root of 2L. We multiply that by 4 to get rid of the 4, the denominator, and we multiply the 4 to the other side as well. So we multiply 4 by 2 times 2.26, we get 9.04 equals 1 pi square root of 2L. From there we multiply it by square root to get rid of the square root, and we get 9.04 to the second power. And when we multiply that together, we get 81.7216 equals 1 times 9.056, because we square root pi, times 2L. And from there, we multiply 1 times 9.056 to get the same thing. And from there, we multiply 9.056 times 2L, and that's what we get up there, 19.792. And we divide that to the other side, and then we get L equals 4.14, and we estimate it to 4.